Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, September 24, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, September 24, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon na September 24, 2025 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, September 24, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for September 24, 2025 Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, September 24, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.